Okay, now let's see this question. This is a pretty interesting question which came in 2016. We are saying that okay, from positive integers to positive integers, a function is defined where we are satisfying this property that when we are so it is a recursive definition where fn is f of n by 2 if n is even, and fn is f of n plus 5 if n is odd. So what does this mean? This mean that okay, if let's say 1 is there, okay, then okay, so we will start with 2. That will be better. That will be better. So okay, because one so they have not given the terminating condition, so it will be keep on looping. So however, I can show you with 1. So basically what is going to happen that f of 1 will again come back to f of 1, so there will be a loop. So but let's understand that loop, how that is happening. So essentially what in order to terminate this, you have to give a terminating condition that okay, f of 1 is defined, and then after that you don't have to again do it. However, let's see what is happening. See, if let's say you calculate f of 1 also again, then it is going to give you it is odd, so it is going to give you 1 plus 5 6. So you will compute f of 6, then you will compute it is even, so you will from 6 you will go to 3. It is odd, so 3 plus 5 it is going to be to 8, and then 8 is even, then it will go to 4. It is even, will go to 2, then 2 it is again even, so it will go to 1. Okay, so you see, right, 1 to 6 to all the way again it came back to 1. So what will happen is that for 2 also it will be, see, going to 1. For 3 also it is finally going to 1. For 4 also it is finally going to 1. 5, okay, 5 is interesting. So 1 2 3 4 all are going to f of all these values is going to f of 1 only. Okay, now what is 5? See, 5 is going to 5 plus 5 10. 10 is even, it is going to 10 by 2 5, and you can get the idea that it is the loop again happening. So basically this thing, there is only one value, that is, you get the smallest one, let's say 5, f of 5, whatever is that value, that thing. Now you'll see that okay, 6 is again going back to f of 1. When you will see that again, you will, if you see something like 7, then again you will see that 7 is going to 12, is going to 6, and then again it will go finally to f of 1. So it will keep on going to f of 1, but when, as till 9 also, when we go to 10, then again it will go to f of 5. Okay, so what is happening is that see, 5 is obviously f of 5, 10 is f of 5, and then again 11 12 13 14 all will go to f of 1, and then 15, if you will check, then again you will see that okay, 15 goes to what, 20, and then 20 goes to 10, goes to 5, and then so 14 will go to f of 1, 16 will go to f of 1, but 15 will go to f of 5. So essentially what is happening, that everything which is a multiple of 5 that is going to f of 5, everything else is going to f of 1. That is the beauty of this function. Okay, such a definition, such a recursive definition of function is there, then all the values in positive integers are going to converge to only these two values, and that is what exactly they are asking, is that okay, R is equal to, R is such a set which is I such that there exists j such that f of j is equal to I. So what, any j is there, if that points to some value, then all those unique values we are capturing I, all those I which are reachable, that value which is reachable from these functions, recursive definition. So ultimately only two values are reachable, this and this. Okay, so basically f of 1 and f of 5, only these two values. So what will be the size, maximum possible size of R? Size of R is only 2. There in this set only two values can be there, whatever f of 1 value is there and whatever f of 5 value is there, right? F of 5, only two values there. So maximum possible size of R is 2. Okay, so the answer is